So for classics, I'm just gonna show right away. We worked a little bit on half breaks. So we did ba 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 ba, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 8. And then we just kind of put it into other little combos. So for example, we did 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That's like a nice little thing that you can do. Then I also showed you how you can alternate different sides. So you can do 8, 1, 2, and stop. Hop, 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 hop. And then you can do right, left, right, left. And then we did just a bunch of exercises where we kind of led it all to trying to do a jam circle. But before we just did that, we first did an exercise where we all take 4 8s and we do different moves. Then we do the same thing, but each person that gets to do their way of doing that move. And then we also did an exercise where everybody was either just like doing taking, and then on the 4th 8 did the break, or we were just clapping to support the person that was jamming in the middle. And yeah, at some point people were just like taking them to the stage, so to say, and doing the jam.
It was awesome. You had to be there. You had to be there.